Psalm 27:1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? 2. When the wicked advance against me to devour me, it is my enemies and my foes who will stumble and fall. 3. Though an army besiege me, my heart will not fear. Though war break out against me, even then I will be confident. 4. One thing I ask from the Lord, this only do I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to gaze on the beauty of the Lord and to seek Him in His temple. 5. For in the day of trouble He will keep me safe in His dwelling. He will hide me in the shelter of His sacred tent and set me high upon a rock. 6. Then my head will be exalted above the enemies who surround me. At His sacred tent I will sacrifice with shouts of joy. I will sing and make music to the Lord. 7. Hear my voice when I call, Lord. Be merciful to me and answer me. 8. My heart says of you, seek His face. Your face, Lord, I will seek. 9. Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in anger. You have been my helper. Do not reject me or forsake me, God my Savior. 10. Though my father and mother forsake me, the Lord will receive me. 11. Teach me your way, Lord. Lead me in a straight path because of my oppressors. 12. Do not turn me over to the will of my adversaries, for false witnesses rise up against me, breathing out violence. 13. I remain confident of this. I will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. 14. Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart, and wait for the Lord.